Hi guys, I'm Frederica and today we're gonna try on some gadget for straight hair on my curly hair. Let's go! This one is like a headband with some clip hairband, and then you pull over your hair in the back like that and you clip all over the headband. Okay, so here's the headband with the little clip. So cute! Okay, so I put on the top of my head just like that. I'm gonna use one clip all over my head like that. It looks terrible. Can I stop? I feel confused. Come on, seriously, like the f is this? I'm sorry guys, it's a big no. I cannot even take it off. Okay, so these gadgets right here, you see, it's a no. It's only for like short straight hair, not for curly hair. Next one. Okay, this gadget is like to put like little diamonds on the top of your hair. Yeah, I don't understand the concept of this one, because you can take the diamond and just put it like that. Okay, so first I'm gonna tie my hair like the woman in the video. Smell good. I love smelling stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do a low bun. Grab some gel like that. Silky low bun. So now I'm gonna take these little gadgets. Then clap this part. Okay, another diamond design. It's very easy to use, but to be honest, this one didn't work. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna take the little pink hearts. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, no, to be honest, it's easy to use, but it doesn't work very well. I think it's easier like to just grab the strass with your hand and put it like that. I think it's a no, garbage. Oh, it's braid your hair like directly. I'm just scared to lose one of my hair in that gadget, but we'll see. Okay, so here's the product. Lovely, I love it. Okay, so you put your hair like that. That is not easy. I cannot see what I'm doing, and it's not comfortable at all. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, that's amazing. I love it. I love it. It's like a friend, but at least it braided, like they didn't lie. I think it's really more easier if you have like straight hair, to be honest. It's a total mess. I'm sorry guys. Okay, let's go. Oh no, it's working. It's definitely a no for me. This one is like a hair curler, cordless, so easy to travel with. Actually, I'm interested to try this one because I have already curly hair. Okay, so I turn on 180 degrees and I'm gonna wait just a little bit until it's warm enough. So I'm just gonna tie up my hair. I put inside and then I press. And then I wait until it stops beeping. Oh my god, I'm scared guys. Wow, amazing. I'm gonna try with a longer hair. Oh, that one hurts a little bit. Okay, now I look like Louis XIV. Put less hair inside if you want like juicy curls like that. Do not put that much hair. I will not use it like every day, but I think if you want like more definition on some curls, you should go buy this product. This one, it looks like to do a little bump. You know, in the early 20s, old-fashioned trends with the little bump. Okay, so I have 3 different pieces like that. I'm gonna take the biggest one because I have big hair. Okay, so boom. Oh, it's giving a bit volume. Wait, I didn't put enough hair. I don't know about this one. It's a no for me, because curly hair girls, we have already this volume naturally. Okay, now I'm gonna cry. I can't take it off. It's literally destroying my hair. My god, never use that on your hair. Terrible, terrible. Okay, I'm sorry, I have no idea how to describe this one. What is this? You just have to wet your hair before, and then it's look like long spaghetti, like pasta plastic. Okay, so first I'm gonna wet my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use this curler. Okay, here we go. I put the hair inside of the curler. It's easy once you know how does it work. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, now let's dry them. Okay. Oh my god, I can't wait to see the result. It did absolutely nothing with my hair. Wow. Okay, so I think for those one you have to really sleep with them. As you can see, it's not dry enough. It didn't really work on my type of hair. This product is a no for curly hair. Oh, this one is a cute one actually. I think it's from Japan. It's like two little hearts, pinky one that you put on each part of your head. It's so cute. I can't wait to try it, this one. Okay, there it is. So I'm gonna try this one. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try to fix this hair like this. Okay, what do you think? I think it's kind of cute. I like it. I think I prefer this look. It's more natural and simple, but I think it's a nice gadget. You should try it on. Okay, so the only one gadget that I will recommend will be the cordless curler. The others gadgets is just garbage. Don't waste your money. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Look at the bit ahead of me.